Alright, a new arcade machine from our friends from China. Time to go Predator mode, people. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about this mini arcade from our friends from China, and the reason why is pretty simple. I love arcade machines. I love them all. But the most common problem with these things, it's freaking expensive. They're quite expensive to buy and they are freaking expensive to ship out. So I came across this one thinking, alright. Prices not cheap, but okay. It's not like we have in this tiny arcade machine. It's an, let's say, a tiny bar top, so you can bring it along to your friends and play some games. 10-inch screen. Free shipping. I was looking at the specifications. Let's see what we're going to get. It comes with a quad-core CPU. If you look at the specification, let me think of an old TV box. So that they just put an old TV box in this thing, smack an Android version, or what did they even use, and just play some arcade games, or NES games, 8-bit. The screen itself, it's a 10-inch with a pretty basic resolution. So I was looking at this thing, got quite some RAM, 256 megabytes. But you're getting the point. So 4 gigs of storage space. So a very old box. You see, it's showing again 8-bit games. Those Chinese love their 8-bit games, that's a fact. So I was thinking, does this thing have 60-bit games? Do we have arcade compatibility? Very good question. It comes with no delay buttons. I'm guessing they are going to give us a wicked wiggly stick. So, but there is one thing. There was a fellow YouTuber who made a video about it, and I can tell you, when I seen this video, I love to review it, to show it on the channel, but it's so bad, yes. So, the Immortal John, I leave a link of your video, because I think I'm never going to get around, I think I'm not going to review this. Oh, by the way, and I asked my colleagues in China if this thing can be sent or sold to me, but they are saying it's not even produced anymore. Yeah, so bad is this product. So to conclude this video, I think I'm going to never get it in my hands to review it on the channel. You can add games, so you can add the games, but see, having a USB if I'm correct. John did some 8-bit emulation on this device and it was pretty horrible, so yeah, spoiler alert. But no, this is what you're going to get. Check out this video. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content, and see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel.
Tiger!